The science behind manifestation, quantum physics. The science behind manifestation has gained considerable attention in recent years, captivating both researchers and individuals seeking to understand the power of their minds. At the forefront of this phenomenon lies the intriguing world of quantum physics. For a graduate school student, comprehending the intricacies of this field and its connection to manifestation is crucial to delve into the fascinating science that underpins this concept. Quantum physics, at its core, explores the fundamental nature of reality on a subatomic level. It encompasses a range of theories and principles that defy classical physics, offering a more nuanced understanding of the universe. One key concept within quantum physics that relates to manifestation is the idea that particles exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed or measured, a phenomenon known as wave-particle duality. The concept of wave-particle duality, first proposed by physicists like Louis de Broglie and later confirmed by the famous double-slit experiment, suggests that particles have both wave-like and particle-like properties. This duality implies that reality is inherently probabilistic, with a range of possibilities existing simultaneously until a measurement is made. Manifestation, in this context, can thus be seen as the act of collapsing the wave function to a particular state through conscious observation or intention. Quantum physics also introduces the concept of entanglement, wherein particles can become connected in such a way that the state of one particle can instantaneously affect the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. This concept has been likened to the interconnectedness of all things and has implications for manifestation. It suggests that when focusing our intention or thoughts on a desired outcome, we may be influencing the entangled particles within the quantum realm, ultimately affecting the physical world. Furthermore, quantum physics encompasses the phenomenon of quantum tunneling, which allows particles to pass through energy barriers that, according to classical physics, they would not be able to overcome. This notion has profound implications for manifestation, as it implies that even when faced with seemingly insurmountable obstacles, there may exist a non-zero probability for desired outcomes to manifest, utilizing the potential of quantum tunneling to materialize intentions. At the heart of manifestation is the power of observation and intention, which quantum physics sheds light upon through the observer effect. The observer effect posits that by simply observing a phenomenon, we inherently influence its behavior. This principle suggests that bringing consciousness and focused attention to our thoughts and desires may modify the quantum field in such a way that our intentions manifest into physical reality. Moreover, quantum physics introduces the concept of the quantum field or the unified field, also known as the field of infinite potential, where all possibilities exist in a state of potentiality. This field is believed to connect all things in existence, and it is through this interconnectedness that manifestation operates. By aligning our own vibrational frequency with the desired outcome, we tap into the limitless potential of this field, allowing our intentions to materialize. Building upon the quantum field concept, renowned physicist David Bohm proposed the notion of the implicate and explicate order, suggesting that the manifest reality we perceive is an unfolded portion of a deeper, unmanifested reality. From this perspective, manifestation can be seen as an act of bringing the implicate order into the explicate order. By focusing our thoughts and intentions, we facilitate the movement of the unmanifested potential into physical reality. The role of consciousness in the manifestation process is a fundamental aspect that quantum physics emphasizes. Many quantum physicists argue that consciousness plays a crucial role in determining the nature of reality, as it is through conscious observation and intention that the wave-particle duality collapses into a definite outcome. This understanding aligns with the belief that conscious awareness and mindfulness are essential components for successful manifestation. In conclusion, the science behind manifestation draws heavily from the principles and concepts of quantum physics. Graduate-level comprehension of this intriguing field provides insight into the interconnectedness of reality, the power of observation, and the potential of consciousness to shape our physical world. By understanding these concepts, one can delve deeper into the science behind manifestation and apply this knowledge to manifest their desired outcomes in life.